Designed for primary and secondary school children, the VinciBot coding robot set features diverse and rich functionality, open expandability, and superb quality. With its graphical and Python programming platforms as well as AI and IoT features, it has a wide range of applications in the STEAM education industry, such as programming learning, AI education, robotics competition, and creative projects. Multifunctional. VinciBot is equipped with 8 sensors high-precision stepper motor, high-quality speaker, 16 by 8 LED matrix, and 6 full-color LED lights.
Showtime!
Combination of graphical and Python programming from simple to advanced allows diverse and rich event production and creative expression. More open. With a variety of structural expansion holes reserved in the robot body, VinciBot can be integrated with blocks to reform different shapes and supports collaboration through multiple robots. VinciBot also supports a rich variety of third-party electronic modules and highly expandable for increased diversity and freedom of gameplay in classroom teaching and competition. Children can give play to unlimited imagination, innovation, and creation. More intelligent. From the tiny machine learning of VinciBot, students can experience the whole process from model creation, data acquisition, training and deployment, to programming, which helps them to deeply understand artificial intelligence with the support of the rich sensors. The tiny machine learning helps VinciBot to fulfill various models like voice and gesture recognition to apply AI. Moreover, VinciBot supports IoT-based creative projects and achieve cloud data processing.
Tonight, there will be variable cloud cover, with a few showers likely at times throughout the night.
Higher quality. VinciBot has passed more than 20 professional tests and certifications. The robot is proved to be more reliable and durable. It has longer service life, more precise movement, and higher sensor accuracy. Its battery life reaches up to 4 hours. The robot is constantly improved and designed for teaching and competition scenarios. The product comes with a challenge booklet, which contains rich and engaging activity cases for the children to get started and improve themselves. VinciBot sparks creativity, computational thinking, design thinking, and engineering thinking. It turns a digital world into a physical one. VinciBot Coding Robot Set, encouraging children to play and explore.